Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your Monopoly Go. So we're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do is to just click here on settings here. So and you come to next step here. Then all you have to do is to just go down. You click here on apps. So then it's going to take you to apps list here, like we said. And you just go down here to looking for Monopoly Go. So just keep going down here. So then you click here on Monopoly Go, and it's going to take you to next step here. Then you just click here on for stop. Then you click here on OK. So and you go down here. You click here on storage, and you come to storage list. So just click here on clear cache, and all you have to do now so just go to your Play Store. So just go to your Play Store here. You click on it. Then you will find here uh sorry, update. You just click on update, then it's going to fix with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.